This smart switch is way too easy? HPE Instant on 1830 24-port PoE review. Ever felt like your entire small biz or office tech setup is held together by hope and duct tape? You're constantly battling lag, dropped connections, and tangled web interfaces that were designed by someone who clearly hates humans. You just wanted your Wi-Fi to work, your VoIP phones to stop cutting out mid-sentence, and your cameras to stay online, but instead? You're juggling clunky switches, confusing dashboards, and support tickets that take days to get a response. If you've been stuck in that just make it work mode, it's no wonder you feel drained and disillusioned every time you try to improve your network. Now let's crank the pressure. Add in screaming clients, urgent Zoom meetings that drop halfway through, surveillance systems that randomly ghost you, and the soul-crushing moment your cloud backups freeze again. Your entire network feels like a bad Jenga game, one unplugged cable and it's all crashing down. You can't afford to miss a beat, but your outdated switch is holding your operation hostage. Missed leads, jittery livestreams, vulnerable security, these aren't just minor hiccups, they're lost money, lost trust, and full-on stress meltdowns. You need more than a fix. You need a full-blown, no excuses upgrade. Say hello to the HPE Networking Instant on 1830 24-port Smart Managed PoE switch, your new IT bestie. This fanless, whisper-quiet beast packs 24 Gigabit ports, 2 SFP uplinks, and 12 Class 4 PoE ports with a generous 195-watt power budget to juice up your IP phones, cameras, and access points without running new wires. But here's the kicker. It's actually easy. Plug it in, fire up the slick mobile app or web portal, and boom, your network is humming in minutes. Whether you're running a cafe, boutique agency, or stealth mode startup, this thing brings big league power to small biz budgets, with zero IT drama. The 1830 switch delivers pro-level networking with entry-level simplicity. You get VLANs, DOS protection, TPM security, PoE scheduling, and smart energy-saving modes, all wrapped in a compact build that's perfect for undertable or wall mounting. No subscriptions. No license drama. Just reliable performance, beautiful uptime, and the confidence to scale your setup without hiring an entire IT squad. The intuitive UI and cloud-accessible management mean even non-techies can rule the network like pros. Ready to finally control your setup instead of being bullied by it? Yeah, we thought so. Let's dive in and break it down. Thousands of SMBs are already riding the Instant on Wave, and trust us, this switch flies off shelves. With zero recurring costs, rugged design, and business-class features in an insanely user-friendly package, it's the no-brainer network upgrade your office has been waiting for. But stock is limited, because good things go fast, so if you're ready to ditch the IT chaos and finally feel in control, click now. Grab the HPE Instant on 1830 before it disappears into the tech void. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a stress eraser. It's a network glow-up. It's your new secret weapon. Let's go.